Today, we're going to learn about the letter K. Do you know what sound K makes?
I think it sounds like coo.
Exactly. The letter K makes the coo sound. Can you think of any words that start with the letter K?
How about kitten and kite?
Great examples. Kitten and kite both start with K. Can you think of anything that ends with K?
How about book?
Yes, book ends with K. The letter K can also appear in the middle of words, like in baker. Do you have any other words in mind?
I think of lake.
Good one. Lake has a K in the middle. You're really getting the hang of this. Let's practice writing the letter K now. Try it out on your paper.
Okay, I'll give it a try.
Excellent. Remember, K has a straight line and then two diagonal lines that connect to it. Nice job.